Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that your entire career has been automated overnight. The emails, the meetings, the planning, the decisions, all handled by an AI agent that works faster than you, never sleeps, and costs nothing to maintain. Sounds terrifying, right? Now here's the twist. While millions of jobs are actually at risk, there are certain tech roles that AI simply cannot replace. Not because the technology isn't advanced enough, but because these jobs demand something AI fundamentally lacks: human judgment, creativity, empathy, and real-world problem-solving. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries at a speed we have never seen before. From automated coding tools to AI agents managing customer support, thousands of companies are already restructuring their workforce. But here's the surprising truth. Although AI is replacing repetitive, rule-based, and mechanical roles, it is also strengthening certain jobs that require deep thinking, innovation, leadership, and complex decision-making. These are not just safe careers, they are actually becoming more valuable because AI increases the demand for specialized human expertise. In today's video, we are breaking down the 5 tech careers that will remain 100% safe in 2026, no matter how powerful AI becomes. 1. AI ethics and government specialists. The rise of AI has created a massive global challenge. Governments, companies, and even ordinary users are struggling to answer one critical question: how do we make sure AI is used responsibly? That's where AI ethics and governance specialists come in. This job is safe because no machine can replace human moral judgment. These specialists decide how AI models should behave, what data they should be allowed to use, and how to prevent biases, discrimination, or harmful outputs. Systems may be automated, but their moral frameworks must always be defined by humans. With every new AI breakthrough, the need for ethical oversight increases. That makes this role not only safe, but one of the fastest-growing careers of the decade. 2. Cybersecurity Analysts and cyber threat professionals. As AI systems get stronger, cybercriminals get stronger too. Hackers are already using AI to automate attacks, create fake identities, break passwords, and exploit vulnerabilities at a scale that was impossible before. This is why cybersecurity analysts are irreplaceable. AI can detect patterns and alert teams about potential threats, but it cannot create long-term security strategies. It cannot understand geopolitical risks, criminal psychology, or social engineering tactics. Only humans can interpret the broader context of an attack, negotiate solutions, decide countermeasures, and protect organizations from high-level security breaches. Cybersecurity is a battlefield where AI is just a tool, but human intelligence is the commander. That's why this job will remain one of the safest and highest-paid careers in the AI era. 3. Product managers and innovation strategists. Product managers are the architects of digital innovation. Their job is not just about managing tasks, it's about understanding user needs, identifying market gaps, analyzing competitors, and creating products that solve real problems. No matter how advanced AI becomes, it cannot predict human emotions, desires, trends, or cultural shifts the way trained professionals can. Product managers work at the intersection of psychology, business, and technology. They lead teams, communicate visions, negotiate with stakeholders, and make strategic decisions based on intuition and experience. AI might assist with analytics, but it can never replace human leadership. Every successful tech company in 2026 will rely on experienced product managers to guide innovation, plan roadmaps, and turn ideas into million-dollar solutions. 4. UX/UI designers and human-centered creators. AI can draw images, design wireframes, and generate layouts, but it cannot understand human emotion. UX/UI designers create experiences that feel intuitive, meaningful, and emotionally aligned with users. Their work involves understanding human psychology, behavior, and cultural patterns. These are things algorithms can only approximate, never fully master. When a user opens an app, what makes them trust it? What keeps them engaged? What makes the brand feel personal? These questions are deeply human, and only human-centered designers can answer them. As AI tools take over repetitive design tasks, the creative and strategic side of UX/UI becomes even more important. That means demand for real designers, not automated ones, will skyrocket in 2026. 5. Full-stack developers and system architects. People assume coding jobs are going away because AI can now generate code. But here's what most people don't understand. AI can produce code snippets, but it cannot architect complex systems. Full-stack developers and system architects think holistically. They understand scalability, performance, security, edge cases, business rules, user behavior, and integration with external systems. AI tools like copilots make developers faster, not obsolete. Just like calculators didn't replace mathematicians, AI won't replace skilled developers. Instead, developers who embrace AI will build systems faster, better, and at a much larger scale. Companies still need experts who can make final decisions, validate outputs, debug deeply, and ensure systems run smoothly. In 2026, the safest developers will be those who collaborate with AI instead of competing with it. The real reason these jobs are safe. The jobs we discussed share one thing in common. They require high-level human intelligence. These roles demand creativity, strategy, emotional intelligence, moral reasoning, and complex decision-making. AI is amazing at executing tasks, analyzing data, and automating workflows, but it cannot lead, empathize, negotiate, innovate, or take responsibility. That's why these careers will remain untouched by automation. In fact, as AI grows, these jobs will grow even faster. How to prepare for a safe future in tech. To stay ahead in 2026 and beyond, you must blend your human strengths with AI tools. Learn to use AI as your assistant, not your competitor. Build skills that require human judgment. Invest in creativity, critical thinking, and leadership. These are the abilities AI can never replicate, no matter how advanced it becomes. AI is not here to destroy jobs. It is here to elevate those who are ready to adapt. If you position yourself correctly, the AI revolution will be the biggest career of your life. The question is simple. Will you prepare today or wait until the world forces you to? The choice is yours.
If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with other creators, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful YouTube growth tips.